Cooking is more than just preparing meals. It's about creating an experience that combines health, performance, and aesthetic appeal. This Voniki pots and pans set non-stick is designed to elevate your kitchen experience with its premium ceramic coating, non-toxic materials, and versatile cookware selection. This 16-piece cookware set brings a balance of style, efficiency, and durability, ensuring that every meal you prepare is both safe and delicious. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. The first highlight of the Voniki ceramic cookware set is its non-toxic ceramic coating. Every piece is free of PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, cadmium, and other harmful chemicals, making it a safe choice for you, your family, and the environment. This means that you can cook with confidence, knowing that no toxic substances will leach into your food. The Voniki cookware set is not just a tool. It is an investment in your health, your kitchen, and your lifestyle. Cleaning and maintenance are effortless thanks to the naturally non-stick ceramic surface. Food slides off easily, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter and promoting healthier cooking. Sticky messes are no longer a concern, and the cookware can be cleaned in seconds with minimal scrubbing. This makes the Voniki cookware set ideal for busy households where convenience and efficiency are just as important as performance. While this cookware set is designed for all stovetops except induction, it heats quickly on gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops, saving time and energy. Each pan and pot distributes heat evenly, allowing for precise cooking and consistent results. Additionally, the Voniki set is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for roasting, baking, or finishing dishes in the oven. This versatility ensures that you can rely on your cookware for virtually any recipe, from simple everyday meals to gourmet creations. Beyond performance, the Voniki cookware set brings style and sophistication to your kitchen. The elegant white and gold matte finish adds a touch of luxury while also enhancing your cooking experience. Double rivet handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, making it easier to handle heavy pots and pans safely. The overall design not only improves kitchen aesthetics, but also inspires you to cook more and experiment with new dishes. This 16-piece cookware set includes everything you need to cover a wide range of cooking tasks. 8-inch and 10-inch nonstick frying pans, a 5-quart Dutch oven with lid, 1.7-quart and 2.5-quart saucepans with lids, an 11-inch sauté pan with lid, 5 silicone kitchen utensils, and a storage bucket. This comprehensive collection is ideal for households of any size and makes an excellent gift for weddings, housewarmings, or holiday celebrations. Why this cookware set is worth buying. The Voniki 16-piece ceramic cookware set solves common cooking problems, including sticky pans, uneven heating, and unsafe chemical exposure. It combines functionality, durability, and style, making it ideal for home chefs, families, and anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with safe and attractive cookware. The versatility and comprehensive range of pots, pans, and utensils allow you to prepare virtually any recipe with confidence, efficiency, and minimal cleanup. For anyone who wants a non-toxic, stylish, and fully functional cookware set, Voniki delivers an exceptional package. Its blend of performance, aesthetics, and thoughtful design makes it a smart investment for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Whether you're a beginner cook, a busy parent, or a culinary enthusiast, this set supports your cooking needs while keeping your meals safe and delicious. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.